Convex fuzzy set. We already learned convex crisp set. What is convex crisp set? Is it visible? कन्वेक्स क्रिस्प सेट क्या होता है? सेट थियोरी में कन्वेक्स क्या होता है? इन सेट थियोरी, इन नॉर्मल सेट थियोरी, इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर. Just see all of you. Both value inside the set A and connected. No outside. दूसरे सब क्या करें? मोहित, राहुल, जिनेंद्र, जॉय, तन्मया, दर्शिल, सत्यम. What is convex fuzzy set, Mohit? Convex crisp set. ये लिखा, ये फिगर देख के बता नहीं सकते क्या होता है? आदित्य साहू, what is non-normalized? I'm asking what is convex crisp set? Non-normalized. What? A set S is a universal set which having two elements X. A universal set X, ये universal set है X, which having some set X S, and that having two elements X1 and Y X2, and they both are connected each other with inside the set. It is called convex crisp set. Okay. Now, what is the difference between convex crisp set and convex fuzzy set? If it is crisp, then we get this condition that x comma x1 comma x2 is belongs to some set S. All of you with me or not? Ashutosh, Hitesh, Sai Betty, Siddharth, Rajneesh, Mahiti. Okay. तो क्या है? In normal crisp set, x1 and x2 is two element which is belongs to some set A. If and only if a lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda x2 is belongs to S, where lambda is equal to either 0 or 1. If you put 0 or 1 and if you get this answer, then it is called, it is crisp set. This is just a mathematical representation. नॉर्मल टर्म में क्या होता है? एस इस सेट के अंदर जो भी एलिमेंट है वो एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड होने चाहिए, विच इनसाइड द सेट ओनली. ओके. But if you talk about the fuzzy set, then what fuzzy set contain? What fuzzy set contain? Crisp set contain only element. What fuzzy set contain? Reply. हिमानी, सत्यम, कृणाल, आकाश, धैर्य, विकास, महेंद्र. Normal set theory, we work on only element. Okay. But in membership, but fuzzy set contain one what extra? Fuzzy set में extra क्या होता है? Reply. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? अनुपम, प्रियांशी, ध्रुव, हर्षिल, वामसी. Range of value, a real number from 0 to 1, that is called, Harshil, that is called a membership function value. So the fuzzy set, we work on the membership function value. If they told you to find a convex fuzzy set, then you have to apply this formula, where mu a bar, that is a bar is nothing but some fuzzy set which contain lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda into x2, some mu value which is greater than minimum of two set. See this. Why it is called convex fuzzy set? If some mu value which contain this lambda, and that must be a greater than or equal to minimum of first element and second element of set. And here x1 and x2 is must belongs to some interval between 0 to 1. Okay. I hope you not understand this. Let's understand this with some example. इतना समझ में है? इक्वेशन समझा? Have you got this equation? There is some value C. There is some value that is nothing but a mu value which having some lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda into x2, ये कैलकुलेट करना होगा इक्वेशन, और जो इक्वेशन हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे दैट इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू जो एलिमेंट के दो वैल्यू है उससे मिनिमम, उसका मिनिमम होना चाहिए। नहीं समझ में आया, डोंट वरी, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस यूजिंग सम एग्जांपल। ओके, एग्जांपल से क्या समझ में आ रहा है, दैट वी हैव अ फजी सेट। फजी सेट डिफाइन किया है, इन एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इट कंटेन टू एलिमेंट, ऑल ऑफ यू विथ मी और नॉट? ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू रिप्लाई प्लीज। हर्ष, आदित्य, वामसी, मनीष, गौतम, विश्वजीत, तुषार, श्रव्या, अजिता, यशवी, भावेश, सुनील, प्रवीण। Okay, so consider this example. Okay, where this x coordinate is contain all the elements. Suppose we have two elements x1 and x2. We have two elements x1 and x2. Okay, and in the y coordinate what we have, y coordinate पे क्या होता है, y coordinate पे क्या होता है, mu means what, mu means what, membership function. So x coordinate is contain element and y coordinate contain all the membership function. So x1 having a membership function mu a bar x. तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, फिर we connect this line, then we connect this, ये लाइन बना के कनेक्ट की, got it? Then x2 is the element which having a membership function this, so we connect this line. Itna got it? Then what we have done, we have created one graph like this. Got it? इतना समझ में आया क्या हुआ? All of you got it or not? समझा? Reply. 58 people, 58 reply I want. Okay? Now, I take some value. Suppose I take some value. Now, I want to find a convex. So what I supposed to do? I supposed to prove this equation. Then only I can say this is convex fuzzy set. For that, what I will do? I will take some additional variable t. I will take some additional variable t. Okay. So what I will do? That t is equal to lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda x2. This is the equation. It's already given here. It's already given over here. I have to calculate this. I already have mu value of x1, mu value of x2. All of you with me or not? ये दोनों वैल्यू है मेरे पास. Okay. So अगर according to this, what will be the minimum between this? x1 और x2. x1 की वैल्यू ये है, x2 की वैल्यू ये है. Then what will be the minimum? ग्राफ देखो और बोलो मिनिमम क्या आएगा. See the graph and tell me what will be the minimum. x1 is minimum, right? So now here I got x1 तो मेरे को मिल गया यहाँ पे, x1 मिल गया. अभी मुझे क्या करना है, अभी मुझे ऐसी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है जो x1 से ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू हो. सपोज आई टेक अ t is equal to lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda x2. ये इक्वेशन मुझे प्रूव करनी है. I have to prove this equation. Okay. So what I will do? I will put lambda is equal to 0. I will put lambda value that is nothing but a range between 0 to 1. So I will put lambda is equal to 0. So what I will get? 0 into x1. So 0 into x1, what is 0? 1 minus 0 x2. So what I will get? x2. So what I will get? A t is equal to x2. All of you with me or not? All of you with me or not? Okay. So now put this value x2 over here. This is nothing but a x2 which is greater than or equal to greater than mhm, and equal to x1, which is true or not? Tell me. See the graph and tell me which is true or not. So I will get some t value that is nothing but a x2, and this is true. That's why I can say this is a convex fuzzy set. All of you got it? समझ में आया? Should I need to repeat what is convex fuzzy set? Repeat करूं? All of you. I have two element x1 and x2, and I already find the minimum between that. That is x1. To see this graph, I already find minimum x1. Then I take some value t and put into this equation. There is nothing but a lambda into x1 plus 1 minus lambda. ये इक्वेशन में मैंने रख दिया. If I put lambda is equal to 0, then 0 into x1, 0 plus 1 minus 0, that is 1 into x2, then I will get t is equal to x2. So if I put that into equation, mu a bar x2 which is greater than or equal to x1, and that is proof. If you draw the graph, then physically आप देखोगे, by seeing the graph only you can say that this is convex fuzzy set, because this value t which is greater than or equal to the minimum between these two elements. All of you got it? Reply. In this condition should be true for all value for lambda. Now if you want to put lambda is equal to 1 and see what will be your answer. Why you can put lambda is equal to 1 also. I said something. 0 के 1 के बीच में जो भी वैल्यू रखो, तो दैट इज द रियल नंबर रखना पड़ेगा जिनेन्द्र. अभी तो मैंने 0 रखा है. 0.5 रखो, 1 देखो, रखो और सी व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर. If you put 1, that 1 into x2, that is sorry 1 into x1, x1 plus 1 minus 1 0 x2. तो यहाँ पे x1 आएगा, तो भी कंडीशन ट्रू होगी, that is greater than or equal to. Equal to तो ट्रू हो रहा है ना? All of you with me or not? Ajita, Shravya, Vatsal, Gagandeep. Got it? Got it? Now I will, so here we talk about the convex fuzzy set. Now let's see this graph and tell me whether this graph is having convex fuzzy set or not. Just see it and tell me. See this graph and tell me. Why no, Rishabh? Why no? Why no? But no cam. Ajita, Shravya, Apurva, Praveen, Bhavesh, Saurav, Jitendra Chaudhary, Ashish, Jeet. Putting value of lambda, we can verify it. But by putting a value of lambda, you can also verify it. But by seeing a graph, you can also verify it. There is two value x1 and x2, which is greater than or which having a value x2, that is minimum is x1. Then x1 where t value is not greater than the minimum value. Have you seen x1 and x2 मिनिमम क्या आएगा? x1 आएगा. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे आप क्या रखोगे? In this condition you will put x1 over here. You will put x1 over here. Greater than or equal to satisfy होना चाहिए. Greater than or equal to satisfy होना चाहिए. But if you see the t value whatever you calculate, which is not greater than the minimum value you have get. Rishabh, because there can be minimum. Okay. Got it all of you? What is convex fuzzy set and what is non-convex fuzzy set? Convex crisp set, fuzzy set में क्या difference है पता चला? All of you. Got it all of you other? Reply. Ajita, Ekta reply. Yashvi, Tushar, Gautam. Fine? Got it? So you here you got it. What is convex fuzzy set and not convex fuzzy set? Okay. Now write down the next point. that is subset of fuzzy set. So we have done with convex fuzzy set, non-convex. Now next topic, subset of fuzzy set. Okay, so here we learn three things: equivalent, subset, and power set. Okay, now can see read this definition and tell me what is the equivalence fuzzy set. What is equivalent? All of you writing or not? Manish, Gautam, Harsh, Harshil, Himanshu, Dhruv, Priyanshi, अनिमेश, महेंद्र, विकास. लिखो ये क्या है. यू हैव टू राइट दिस. नोट्स में रैंडमली पूछूंगी कि भाई नोट्स दिखाओ. Okay, so what we have written in equivalence fuzzy set, a membership function of fuzzy set A and a membership function of fuzzy set B should be same for X. Then it is called equivalence fuzzy set. So let's consider the example. Let fuzzy set A bar and fuzzy set B bar two fuzzy sets, then those are equivalent if and only if mu A bar X equal to mu B bar X and all X is belongs to universal set X. Are you writing or not? Mahendra, Vikas, Akash, Krunal, Himani, Mahiti, reply. Yes ma'am, थोड़ा time दो to note down. Yeah, right. Okay, so equivalence means दोनों membership function value are equal and all X is belongs to the universal set, and you will get a same kind of plot. You will get for A bar you get this kind of plot and B bar you will get same plot. Then it is called equivalent. Okay, फटाफट. Now next is subset of fuzzy set. सबसेट की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है? नॉर्मल सेट थ्योरी में व्हाट इज सबसेट? In normal definition, what is subset? Himani, normal crisp set में दीप्ति, राहुल, मोहित, तनिष, जॉय, सबसेट क्या होता है? पक्का रिप्लाई. इजी. A small part of big set. All of you other, what is subset? Set theory. Set of some element of set. वाह. दर्शिल, सत्यम, A is a fuzzy set of B. A is a fuzzy set of B if and only if mu A bar of X is less than or equal to mu B bar of X. Okay, and all X's belongs to X. Then we can say A bar is subset of B bar. A normal definition. Whatever the mu element is lesser than or equal to the mu element of set B, then we can say the A bar is subset of B bar. If A are two set and all element of B are in A, then B is a subset of A. Good. Okay. Subset हो गया? All of you? यश, બીજા બધા શું કરે છે? બાકી सब क्या कर रहे हैं? रजनीश, माहिती, डन. ओके, सबसेट लिख लिया. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रॉपर सेट? क्या डिफरेंस है सबसेट और प्रॉपर सेट में? सबसेट और प्रॉपर सेट में क्या डिफरेंस है? वामसी, सबसेट और प्रॉपर सेट में क्या डिफरेंस है? सी लिखा ही है यहाँ पे, देख के तो बता दो। पटेल जी, ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू, और अदर, अदर क्या कर रहे हैं? नॉट इक्वल, दूसरे कहाँ है? वामसी, ओके, गौतम, विश्वजीत। So subset is contain the condition less than or equal to. A proper set is contain only less than. Okay, we can't say equal to. If it is proper set, then there is only less than, no equal to sign is there. And you will get a graph like this. Got it? Subset proper set हो गया. We have seen तीन properties हो गई अपनी. Equivalence हो गया, subset हो गया, proper set हो गया. Now third thing, cardinality of fuzzy set. Okay, now tell me what is the cardinality? What is cardinality? फटाफट लिखो. तुषार, जीत, यश, आशीष. What is cardinality? Number of element. Yes, number of element. But the cardinality in fuzzy set divided into the three cardinality. Three type of cardinality available in fuzzy set. First cardinality is scalar cardinality. All of you write down. There are three type of cardinality in fuzzy set. First cardinality is scalar cardinality. Okay. So what is scalar cardinality? A scalar cardinality of fuzzy set A is equal to summation of X belongs to the universal set X, where all the membership function value. Summation of all the membership function value, which is called scalar cardinality. Okay. Now let's consider with some examples. If they told you to find the scalar cardinality of fuzzy set senior, so see this table and tell me how will you find a scalar cardinality. स्केलर कार्डिनलिटी करने के लिए क्या करना है? जीरो के अलावा जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं उसका समेशन, देन यू विल गेट इट इज स्केलर कार्डिनलिटी. ऑल ऑफ यू calculate the scalar cardinality of senior and tell me the answer. Scalar cardinality means what? Summation of all membership function value. 3.2 others, Saurav, Bhavesh, Apurva, Ajita, Shavya. 3.2. Now tell me the scalar cardinality of adult. 6.7. आगे स्केलर कार्डिनलिटी फाइंड करना. स्केलर कार्डिनलिटी क्या होता है? गॉट इट? ओके. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग, दैट इज second thing on you, relative cardinality. Okay, first cardinality is done. Now type 2, relative cardinality. So relative cardinality can not a single slash, we need a double line. So for finding a single relative cardinality, first we need a scalar cardinality of particular set and total number of element in set. Got it? So already in senior we have find the scalar cardinality is 3.2. Then total number of element is 9. Then what will be your, then what else was the answer? It is relative cardinality. All of you got it? Relative cardinality कैसे find करते हैं? Other, if you know, then find the relative cardinality of adult. 6.7 so already you have find. Then what you supposed to divide? द टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट। यहाँ पे मैंने क्रिस्प क्यों लिखा है? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई वी आई हैव रिटन दिस क्रिस्प? बाकी सब कहाँ पे है? विकास, महेंद्र, अनिमेश, कमलकांत। रिलेटिव कार्डिनलिटी समझ में आया? अदर क्या कर रहे हो? गॉट इट? स्केलर कार्डिनलिटी, रिलेटिव कार्डिनलिटी, श्रव्या, अजिता। ओके, तो और एडल्ट की रिलेटिव कार्डिनलिटी फाइंड की 6.7 डिवाइड बाय 9, 0.74। गॉट इट? नाउ नेक्स्ट मूव करूं? कोई है जो नहीं समझ में आया? शुड आई नीड टू रिपीट? रिप्लाई फास्ट प्लीज। नो? फाइन। तो क्रिस्प मीन्स क्या लिखा है? ऋषभ, व्हाट व्हाई यू हैव रिटन क्रिस्प? मैं वही तो पूछ रही हूँ, क्रिस्प क्यों लिखा है? एनीवन हैव आंसर व्हाई आई हैव रिटन क्रिस्प? Because I know how many numbers of element there in set. That's why I have written crisp. Finite number, fixed value. Numbers of elements are certain. Yeah, because I know how many numbers of edges are there. टोटल नंबर तो खबर છે ને, તો જ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ, તો જ हमने फाइंड किया ना जीत। गॉट इट? आगे बढ़ू? फजी कार्डिनलिटी। ओके, so the last is fuzzy cardinality. Okay, so for finding a fuzzy cardinality, first we need to find a alpha, then cardinality of alpha. Suppose I tell you find the, so how to find a fuzzy cardinality? Suppose I say to find the fuzzy cardinality of senior, where alpha value is equal to 0.3. Okay, so if I say calculate the alpha value for 0.3, what will be your answer? क्या आंसर आएगा? Calculate a fuzzy calculate a value calculate alpha cut where alpha is equal to 0.3 in set senior. Table खोलो, unit table they are already written. Others, do you need a table? फटाफट please. Okay. 0.3 alpha is equal to 0.3 के लिए 55, 65, 75, 85. 0.9 के लिए 65, 75, 85 and 1 के लिए for 0.9, 0.3 के लिए तो 4 वैल्यू आई, 0.9 के लिए 65, 75, 85, देन 1 के लिए। ओके, डन। So what I have done, I already calculate the alpha value and I written the set. Then what I supposed to write? I supposed to calculate the cardinality of alpha set. So normal cardinality of alpha set is total number of elements. How many numbers of elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Then in next set with having alpha value 0.9, I having 3 elements, and for 1 I having 2 elements. So see, I have created a table with alpha value and the cardinality of alpha value. Okay, now how to write in fuzzy cardinality of set senior? So what I supposed to write? I supposed to write a first element that is nothing but a cardinality that is 4 and having alpha value 0.3. So for writing a fuzzy cardinality of set senior, I supposed to write I supposed to write this cardinality of alpha 0.3 is 4, then alpha value 0.3. Got it? Then next cardinality of alpha value 3, then next 0.9, then cardinality of 2, then that is 2, and the alpha value 1. And this how I can write a fuzzy cardinality. All of you got it? समझ में आया क्या किया? Easy. Done? Reply yes, no. महेंद्र, मिथिला, got it? फटाफट लिखो. जितेंद्र, क्या नो? नहीं समझ में आया? To write a fuzzy cardinality, first we supposed to find the alpha value, then we have to write a cardinality number, then I supposed to make a set, then first the cardinality, comma the alpha value, comma second cardinality, then alpha value, then third cardinality and alpha value. This how I can write a fuzzy cardinality. And if you don't know, just look at this equation. The fuzzy cardinality of A bar is cardinality of A bar comma alpha value. Got it? So fuzzy cardinality, so there are three kind of cardinality in fuzzy set: scalar, relative and fuzzy, and that is done. Easy. आगे बढ़ो. अनिमेश, कमल, done. तुषार, यशवी, समझ पड़ी? अनुपम, प्रियांशी, ध्रुव, हिमांशु. Okay, so we have done with the cardinality. Now next and important, standard operation on fuzzy set. Okay, so before go to the complement, let's see first union. What is union of union in two normal set? Set theory में union क्या होता है? What is union in set theory? फटाफट. Union in set theory. Harsh, Aditya, Vamsi. What is union in set theory? Contain all element. See, बाकी सब क्या सो रहे हैं क्या? पहला ही लेक्चर है. Set of all element is both side. Okay. Both sets. Okay. All element of A and B. Element belongs to A or B. See, so here you have a definition that having a union for normal set. But fuzzy set में क्या difference होगा? Let's see. Okay, to calculate a union in fuzzy set, we have to work with the membership function value. So, to find a union between A fuzzy set A bar, see, to find a union between fuzzy set A bar union fuzzy set B bar, we need to calculate this equation that fuzzy set A bar union fuzzy set B bar is equal to maximum of mu value of A bar comma mu value of B bar. All x belongs to the universal set X. This how we calculate. This how we calculate a union in normal fuzzy set. This is the equation for calculate a union. All of you got this equation? Yes or no? समझ में आया? Equation समझा कैसे करना है? Maximum between two membership function value is called as union in fuzzy set. All of you reply please. Got it? If you don't got it, don't worry. We have example. Okay. Here mu A bar and mu B bar are the membership function for A bar and B bar respectively. So we have a two set. Yashvi, I am explaining. Just see the example. We have a two set, adult and senior. Okay. I already have written adult 15, 0, 25, 0.9, 30. Senior 35, 0, 45, 0.5. So set मिल गया. यशवी समझ पड़ी? Example जो. Okay. So adult और senior का दो set है. We have two set, adult and senior. Now apply a union. So if you apply a union, what you supposed to do? See the equation. What you supposed to do? If you want to apply a union, what you supposed to do? Please join तो बोलो, reply देख के तो बोलो. गंदे लोगो तुम लोग देख के भी नहीं बोलते. तुषार, जीत, आशीष, वत्सल, अरे बीजा दूसरे कहाँ पे? एकता, अजिता, श्रव्या, आशीष, जिनेन्द्र, यशवी, सौरव, भावेश, प्रवीण। क्या करना है? We have to find the maximum from both side, but both set of what? Element की membership function value. Element देखना है कि membership function value देखना है? Max of what? Element और membership function value. Membership function mu means membership function. All of you got it. Mu लिखा है. अगर आगे mu आया means here we talk about the membership function. So here we see. तो यहाँ तो 15 और 35 दोनों का membership function क्या है? Just tell me, see the set. Write down the example, all of you. Write down the example and tell me what is the mu value of this two element. 0. दोनों का 0 है, all of you. Here both are equal. So what you supposed to do? You supposed to write the first set element. ये जो 15 वाला set है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. Got it? Now see the next one, that is 25 and 45. See the membership function and give me reply. See the membership function value and give me reply. पहले में तो 15,0 आएगा बिकॉज दोनों इक्वल है, तो पहला जो सेट है उसका एलिमेंट लिखना है. सेकेंड एलिमेंट है 25, 45 which having membership function value 0.9 and 0.1. Then what will be your answer? प्रवीण, अपूर्वा, अजिता, श्रव्या, वत्सल, भावेश, सौरव. 0.9 is greater than, so 15, 0.9 is your answer. Okay, third, 35, 55, membership function value 1 and 0.2. What will be your answer? Ma'am, then if we go for senior union adult, 15 की जगह 20. हाँ, अगर उल्टा करोगे तो फिर वो आएगा, पहले A यूनियन B यूनियन A करोगे तो दूसरा वाला आएगा. नॉर्मली ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि अगर दोनों इक्वल है तो जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट का सेट है वो लिखना है, अगर उल्टा होगा तो सेकेंड एलिमेंट का सेट लिखना होगा. गॉट इट? So what will be your answer? Set क्या आया? मिला? Then you will apply a union and you will get this. Okay? तो यूनियन में क्या करना है? दो एलिमेंट, दो सेट है. ओके, दोनों को कंपेयर करना है और then you will get this. Okay? Now यूनियन हो गया मैक्सिमम. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू, शुड आई मूव? समझ में आया क्या हुआ? रिप्लाई प्लीज, रिप्लाई. मोहित, ऋषभ, राहुल, तनिष, जॉय, समझ पड़े छे? ओके फाइन. नाउ इंटरसेक्शन. तो इंटरसेक्शन के लिए क्या? C बार इज इक्वल टू A बार इंटरसेक्शन B. यूनियन के लिए मिनिमम, इफ यू सपोज टू फाइंड द इंटरसेक्शन, देन व्हाट यू सपोज टू कैलकुलेट? सॉरी, यूनियन के लिए मैक्सिमम, देन सब इंटरसेक्शन के लिए क्या? मिनिमम बिटवीन टू मेंबरशिप फंक्शन वैल्यू. ओके, गॉट इट? इंटरसेक्शन के लिए क्या? Minimum. Okay, so if you calculate the union, then you will get a set like this, all the element of set. But if you calculate the intersection, you will get a set like this. Okay, now interesting part, all of you. Intersection समझ में आया? लिख लिया ये? All of you have written this, please write down. All of you, no ma'am writing, लिखो. No, not. Fine, I hope you have written. दर्शिल, सत्यम, आशुतोष, यश, राजचंदानी, समझ में तो आ रहा है ना? बाउंस आ रहा है बता दो. I will repeat. फटाफट हो गया. Now third one is complement. Okay, so complement, how will you find the complement in normal fuzzy set? Sorry, normal crisp set के लिए complement कैसे find करते हो? All of you tell me, how will you find the normal complement in normal crisp set? Please tell me, how will you find a complement in normal crisp set? आगे जब crisp set की theory करवाई थी starting में, तब मैंने लिखवाया था how will we calculate a complement? A universal set minus actual set. Okay, and to find the complement in fuzzy set, what we supposed to do? To find a complement in fuzzy set, what we supposed to do? One minus membership function value. So all of you listen. One set is given. See the graph and see the graph. Set is given which having element. All of you see. One set is given. One set is given where x element x coordinate contain all the element, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and having a membership function value 2, having a membership function value 0. All of you see this with me or not? Reply yes or no. Reply. Okay. All of you. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. 2, I have membership function value 0. 3, I have a membership function value 0.5. 4, I have a membership function value 1. Okay. 5, I have a membership function value 0.5. And 6, I have a membership function 0. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? ये membership function value मिल गया. And I connect the graph like this. Okay, मैंने ये connect करके ऐसे graph बना दिया. ठीक है? Now if someone tell you to apply complement on this set, how will you apply? How will you apply? 1 minus membership function value. Now calculate the 1 minus membership function value and tell me what will be complement. Complement क्या आएगा? या 1 minus 0. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 1 minus membership function value 0. What will be your answer? 1. All of you got it or not? Tell me. Okay. Then 1 minus 0.5. So what will I get? 0.5. Then 4 minus 1 minus 1, that is 0. 5 minus 5, 1 minus 0.5, 0.5, and 1 minus 0, 1. Complement ये आ गया. Now if I put the value in the graph, तो अभी मैं क्या करी हूँ, वो वैल्यू ग्राफ में पुट करी हूँ. For 2 I get a 1. For 3 complement 3 में तो 0.5 आएगा. I will got 0.5 only. 4 I will get 0. Initially वो क्या था 1. For 5 I get same 0.5, and for 6 I will get 0. So and last connect this entire graph. See the red line now. Do you get exact opposite graph? Yes or no? Do you get exact opposite graph? Fine. मिला? Okay. Now according to the theory, complement हो गया. Complement कैसे calculate करना है? Now according to the theory say that in crisp set A intersection A complement is equal to 5. In theory we have proven that normal set theory A intersection A complement is equal to 5. ये prove है. We already know this, right? In set theory A intersection A complement is equal to 5. But now you already know how to find the intersection minimum. Now see this 2 and calculate the intersection and tell me the answer. See this fuzzy set and calculate the intersection and tell me the answer. All of you. Calculate intersection and tell me whether you get phi or not. Set theory, A intersection A complement is equal to phi. But in fuzzy set, it is same or not? Let's prove. We already have two A fuzzy set A भी है और A complement भी है. Now find the intersection. Intersection के लिए क्या करना है? Intersection के लिए अरे इंटरसेक्शन के लिए क्या करना है? यूनियन के लिए मैक्सिमम, तो इंटरसेक्शन के लिए मिनिमम. And now tell me what you get. A minimum between these two, you will get this. Same first graph, fourth, minimum this. क्या मिला? All of you, do you get this set? Do you get this set? ये set मिला सबको? Do you get this set? Okay. Now plot this graph. Plot this graph. Plot करो. 2 is equal to 0, 3 is equal to 0.5, 4 is equal to 0, 5 is equal to 0.5, 6 is equal to again 0. Okay, and connect this. Got it? Do you get phi over here? Complement करने पे आंसर phi आया. In normal set theory, A intersection A complement is equal to phi. But in fuzzy set, A bar intersection A bar complement is equal to what? Do you get phi over here? Phi मिला, empty set मिला, ये is equal to phi आया. No, नहीं मिला. So here that is prove that set theory A intersection A complement, we will always get a fuzzy set that maximum membership function 0.5. ओके, खबर नहीं पड़ी. तो ये थ्योरम प्रूफ हुआ कि नॉट सेट थियरी A intersection A complement is equal to 5, but in fuzzy set A intersection A complement is not equal to 5. Okay, now second thing, फटाफट. Second thing, what is not fuzzy set A union A complement क्या होता है? In fuzzy set, sorry, in crisp set A union A complement क्या होता है? In crisp set, what is A union A complement? 0. Universal set क्या लालचंदानी? Universal set होता है. All of you, A union A complement is equal to universal set X. Okay, now find in fuzzy set A union A complement. ये दो fuzzy set है, उसका union find करो and tell me whether you get universal set or not. लिख लो fuzzy set and tell me the union. Write down the fuzzy set and tell me union. And tell me whether you find a universal set or not. Got it? क्या करना है all of you के बाउंस गया. यूनियन फाइंड करना है. इंटरसेक्शन तो फाइंड कर लिया. नाउ फाइंड यूनियन. साई, सिद्धार्थ, रजनीश, हिमानी, सत्यम, अदर, विकास, महेंद्र, अनिमेश, कमलकांत. क्या आंसर है? टेल मी द आंसर. डू यू गेट यूनिवर्सल सेट? यस और नो? डू यू गेट यूनिवर्सल सेट ऑल ऑफ यू? Do you get exit opposite? Do you get a universal set? No, all of you not get universal set. So here it is proven that crisp set A intersection A complement is equal to phi, but in fuzzy set A intersection A fuzzy set complement is not equal to phi, and in terms of union in crisp theory set theory A union A complement is equal to universal set, but in fuzzy set fuzzy set A union fuzzy set A complement is not equal to universal set. Hence, you have proven that with some examples. So it is called law of contradiction or law of exclude middle, that crisp set A intersection A complement is equal to phi, A union A complement is equal to universal set X. But in fuzzy set A intersection A complement is not equal to phi, and fuzzy set A union A complement is not equal to universal set X. And you have proved. मैंने जब स्टार्टिंग में क्रिस्प सेट बताया था तभी मैंने बोला कि ये डिफरेंट होगा. So how it is different? You have proven that with example. Got it? All of you got it? Other? समझ में आया? Reply. Got it? Okay. So in next class we will see a linguistic variable क्या होता है. How will we define that? That we will see in next class.